Today I will show you how to do exchanges with test tube division. So over here we have an equation. It's 49,065 divided by 8. So first of all we need to get out all of our test tubes. And since we have tens of thousands, we need to make sure that we get the 10,000s out. So we're going to get that out here. So we have our tens of thousands out. So in the 10,000, we're going to have 4. These come out very quickly. There's 4. I have 9. And we always have to make sure because sometimes the beads don't always have 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm going to put 1 back in the test tube and put 9 in here. Now we have 0 hundreds per our equation. We have 6 tens. There's 5, 6. And then we're going to have 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. And our divisor is going to be 8. So we're going to put 8 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're still dividing by units. Alrighty, so now we're going to take our 4 10,000s and try to divide them evenly among 8 people. Can we do that? Uh-oh. No, we cannot, because even though we've given the 4 out, there's still several people, several Skittles who do not have. So if we have all of these 10,000 beads, what makes up a 10,000 bead? In one 10,000, you have 10 thousands. So we have 4 10,000s. We're going to take these to the bank, put them back here in the tube. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we need to get a whole bunch here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 2. Remember we had 4, so we've got to do this 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Uh-oh, we're missing one. Put that off to the side for later. We need 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that's 4. Now I think we're going to be able to share all of these beads with these 8 people. So we're going to go ahead and give 1 to everybody. Okay, we still have some left. So now we're going to give another 1 to everybody. Alrighty, so now we're over here on our last row, giving 1 to everybody. Alrighty, and we have 1 left over. That one's going to go back. So, how many did one person get? One person got 6. So we didn't do anything here. We don't have to put anything. We can put a 0 there. So now one person got 6. So there's something really easy, a little word game that we've invented to show you to keep track. It's called Daddy, Mother, Sister, Brother. So we divided 49 by 8. We gave everybody 6. So that's Daddy. Let me move this over here so you can see. So mother, multiplication. What's 6 times 8? You should all know your multiplication table. 6 times 8 is 48. It even rhymes. So now we're going to do 48 I'm going to subtract. Sister. 9 take away 8 is 1. 4 take away 4 is 0. And then brother, bring down. We're going to bring the next one down. Okay, so remember we didn't have any hundreds. So we're going to exchange this 1,000. How many hundreds make up 1,000? 10, right? So we're going to take that to the bank and we're going to exchange it for 10 hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 hundreds. Alrighty. And then we're going to go ahead and clean up. Okay, so I'm going to clean up. I'm going to clean this up and we'll be right back with the rest of it. Okay, so we're done with our 10,000s, we're done with our thousands, and now we've done the exchange for 10 hundreds equals 1,000. So we took the 1,000 to the bank and came up with 10 hundreds. So now we're going to share these 10 hundreds among 8 people. Okay, share that. And everybody gets 1. We have 2 left. We can't share those 2, so we're going to take those to the bank. And over here on our piece of paper, we just divided. Remember D for divided. Everybody gets 1. We're going to multiply. 1 times 8 is 8. Daddy, mother. Now we're going to subtract sister. It's going to be 10 take away 8 is 2. Bring down brother. 6. Okay? Okay, so then we're going to clean these up. Take these over here, put them back in the test tube. Okay, and then we need to take the 2 leftover 100 beads and we need to turn them into tens. So I'm going to take those. We're done with the hundreds. We'll turn that over. Take those, put those in here, and then we're going to get 20 blue beads. 10 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Drop those in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10. And now we're going to share the beads among 8 people. Everybody's going to get 1, and we'll keep going. Okay, so we had the 26 beads shared among 8 people. Okay, and we have 2 left over. We can't share those, so we're going to put those back. Everybody got, one person got 3 beads, so that was D, divide. So now we're going to multiply. 3 times 8 is 24, and if you were to count these beads up, there would be 24 beads there. So we have 2 beads left. I can subtract. See, remember there's 2 beads in here. Subtract 2 beads. And then we're going to bring down the last number. So then what we're going to do, I'm going to take these 2 beads, put them back in the test tube, and we need to get 2 test tubes, 20 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, there was 1 too many in there. Interesting. Oops, I need to pour that in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 too many in there, so pour that in there. So then we're going to clean up the blue beads and divide the rest of the beads. So we're done with the 10s. We'll flip that over. Okay, so now we're going to take all the rest of our units and share them among these 8 people. It should be 25 units. So we've got our Skittles. We've got the unit balls that are rolling away. We've got Skittles falling over. Okay. Everybody's going to get 1. Oh, and we have 1 left over, and that's okay. It's not always going to come out even. So we divide it. D divide. So one person gets 3. M multiply. 3 times 8 is again 24. Going to subtract 25. Take away 24 is 1. And you can prove it by, guess what? We've got 1 bead left. Alrighty. And there's nothing left to bring down. So the answer to 49,065 divided by 8 is 6,133, remainder 1. And that is how we do single-digit division on the test tubes.